Today's video is named Business Credit Has Changed. Before we get into that, we're going to definitely pay some bills. But first off, let me introduce myself. My name is Tune. T to the UN. You know what I'm saying? So my name is Tune, T-U-N-E. And this YBE Go to www.ybetv.org/shop. Pick up the business credit course where we will teach you how to structure and get business credit. Structure your business, get business credit. We got the business marketing course where we teach you how to market your business and get employees. We got the personal credit course where we teach you all about personal credit and it's kid friendly. So you can let your kids watch it and they will learn all about credit. Break them generational curses, man. Last but not least, we got the mentorship. We make t-shirts and we do the setup where we will set up your business for you. But today I want to talk to you. I want to take a side note and talk to you guys about business credit and how it has changed. In the last so many years, I've been doing a business credit course, and it's been lucrative, man. I've been, getting a lot of positive feedback. A lot of people love it, and I got to be honest, man. I love helping people, and I love seeing them grow. And I'm seeing that it is changing a lot. It is really changing. When it comes to business credit, the market is changing because it's a lot of people getting in for the wrong reasons. When I first started my course, I really wanted to, get into the business credit thing so I could learn how I can help myself and help my business and get my business to grow and use credit to actually build relationship with different vendors where I could buy things that I need for my truck and, buy things around for whatever purpose that I need to buy things for, as far as business wise. And then I started to give out, the information to people on how to do the same things that I did and go to Amazon and get $5,000, $10,000 and Sam's Club give you 10, 12 grand and these people give you 5 or 10,000, maybe even 20,000 from these people. And it was great to hear the stories. And then you hear about the people that abuse it. You know what I'm saying? So you get a company and they're continuously being abused by people that's coming in this game and they learning and they say, oh, well, I'm separated from the business. So I can run it up. Man, cool. Let me go and take advantage of this and go buy a bunch of flat screen TVs from Amazon. Let me do this. Let me do that. Let me do this. Let me do that. So now, instead of a lot of these companies giving you a chances, a lot of these companies are, they're not giving out chances no more. They're making you work for it. Some of the companies, they actually they make you do business with them 2-3 months before they even give you the opportunity to get a net 30 account. And then you got some that's doing it a lot more strenuous work, like Amazon. Amazon is pretty hard to actually get approved. Like they look at your company, they say, "Oh, okay, we approve you." You get the letter in the mail that says, "Hey, you've been approved for a $5,000 or $10,000 credit line with Amazon." This actually happened to me, and I was excited. I said, "Okay, cool. Let me put in my first order. Let me buy some, so I could build my credit with them." And it came back that it kept denying and denying and denying. So I called in. They said, "Oh, we need to verify a bunch of information." And they made me verify address. They made me send a lease out to my business address. They made me do a lot. I had to jump through a lot of hoops, and then they finally said, "Okay, we'll let it slide." I started another business, tried to get Amazon. They approved me for 5 grand, and then they told me, "Hey, you need to jump back through those same hoops." I was like, you know what? I don't even want to be bothered. I just let it blow. And just because I really was just doing it just to be doing it on the set. I really ain't need no business credit for the second business. So the point is that right now the rules are changing and it's getting a little bit more strenuous. They they want more proof. They not giving out chances much no more like they used to, but you still can get the stuff. Like the stuff is there if you are doing it for the right reasons and you get a little bit more longevity with your business. People will show you the love, but starting out, you definitely gonna jump through a few hoops. So I just want to let people know that business credit is changing. Like as far as going to the bank and getting cash, or like American Express, going off your Duns and Bradstreet number and things of that nature, you're not gonna really see that. You're gonna need a personal guarantee now. Like a lot of these credit card companies used to possibly give you a line of credit based off your business and your business alone, but people took that money, went, spent it up, and never paid it back. And these companies was like, you know what? I'm not gonna let y'all bankrupt me. So you know what? You need to put your personal credit on now because we want to come after your assets. So I just want to let you guys know that that's what it is and that's how it goes. So definitely business credit has changed, but it ain't changed to the point where you can't get it. It's definitely still out there. I still enjoy the luxuries of having business credit, and I hope you guys do too. So you already know this your boy Tunchi signing off. If you don't want to end up in a box, you already know. Think outside of it. My be.